व्यूअर आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है फंक्शंस ऑफ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। मैनेज रिसोर्सेज। वन ऑफ द मेजर फंक्शन ऑफ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज टू मैनेज द डिफरेंट रिसोर्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर विच include mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, storage device or memory etc. The operating system usually creates as a file structure on a hard drive. Once a file is stored, the operating system saved it, names it, and also remembers it for the future use. The way by which an operating system normally organized information data into files is called a file system. The operating system mostly used hierarchical file system while where the file are organized into directories generally referred as a folder under the tree structure. The screenshot of a tree structure while using Windows Explorer in the show below. User interface. The user basically interact with the applications program as well as the computer uh, hardware by user interface. Today almost every operating system provide a graphical user interface, GUI, where the graphic objects or icon are generally used to represent various features. The GUI in GUI is an efficient interface where the user issue different commands with the help of the different pointing device such as the mouse in under to point or click in the icon means. Listen as well as button on the screen of the a screenshot as a graphical user interface GUI while using Windows 7 is shown below. Run application. Most of the operating systems support multitasking. The term multimedia multitasking means that a ability to run two or more application program at a time. Soon a user sends a request for phone and operating system instantly locates the application or loads into the RAM random access memory. If more programs are being loaded than the operating system must allocate various computer resources. Supports for built-in utility program. An operating system may use utility program for the purpose of the repairing and the maintenance. The utility program are the special program which make the use of computer more easy. With unexpected things happen such as hard disk crash, various attacks or slow operation etc. Then function of utility program start. Many operating systems like Windows have built-in utility program for the common purpose. The utility program are commonly known as system tools. In order to find these tools, follow the follow step. Click on the Start Program Associate to Series and System tools. The main example of the utility tools many in clouds. Number one, format, scan disk, disk cleanup, disk uh, dragmentor and antivirus etc. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं।